In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can download Antiyoy game on your phone. So Antiyoy is a free-to-play game online which includes strategies and maps created by players. And the fun thing is you can also play this game with your friends online. So in order to download this game, first of all what you need to do is you're going to open Play Store on your phone if you're using an Android. If you're using iOS, what you need to do is you're just going to go ahead and open App Store. Once you have done that, you're going to type into the search box for Antiyoy and then search for it. After that, you should be able to see here two Antiyoy games. The first one is Antiyoy Classic, which is basically the offline version of this game, and the second one is Antiyoy Online with 500 plus K downloads, which is the online version of this game. Both of these versions require very less memory. As you can see here, the first one is only 8 MB and the second one is only 9 MB. So you're going to type on the game which you want to download and then you're going to tap on install. After that, you're just going to wait until your game has been installed. And once your game has been installed, you can just tap on play to start playing this game.